In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly integrate email into Zoho CRM. This is a crucial step to streamline your communications and ensure all your email interactions with customers are organized and easily accessible within your CRM system. We'll be covering everything from setting up the correct permissions to configuring your email settings and managing the visibility of your emails. Let's begin by ensuring that you have the necessary permissions to carry out email integration in Zoho CRM. It's important that you or anyone who will be using this feature have the proper access. To double-check this, navigate over to Setup, then head into Security Control and select Profiles. In this section, open up your profile to see if the permissions for email integration and email and chat settings are enabled. If they aren't, you'll need to enable them to proceed with the integration. This is crucial as these permissions determine whether you'll be able to link your emails to Zoho CRM, which brings us to our next point, configuring the email integration. For sending and receiving emails directly from Zoho CRM, you'll want to set up your IMAP or POP integration. Begin by heading over to Setup. Once you're there, move to Channels, then select Email, and finally, Email Configuration. Here you'll choose Email, which allows you to configure the specifics. When choosing between IMAP and POP3, IMAP is typically recommended because it allows for two-way syncing, ensuring that changes and updates are reflected in real time across your devices. If your email provider is listed, such as Gmail, Yahoo, or Outlook, click on it for auto-suggestions. You'll be prompted to enter your email details, including username, password, or app password if you have two-factor authentication enabled. You'll also need to input the IMAP or POP3 server details like imap.gmail.com on port 993 and the SMTP server details, for instance, mtp.gmail.com using port 465 or 587. Don't forget to select the folders you wish to sync, like your inbox or sent items. This ensures all necessary emails are captured. To confirm everything is working correctly, click on Test Connection. Once verified, hit Save and continue to lock in those settings. Finally, let's talk about managing how your emails are shared within Zoho CRM to ensure proper accessibility and privacy. By going to Setup, heading back into Channels, and then selecting Email, you can find Email Sharing Settings. Here, you'll come across a few options. If you want your emails to remain private, choose the private setting so only you can see the synced emails. Selecting Public makes your emails visible to all users, which might be suitable for collaborative environments. For a more controlled approach, select Custom, where you can tailor who sees what based on roles, modules, or specific criteria. And there you have it, a detailed guide to integrating email with Zoho CRM. By following these steps, you'll ensure your CRM and email communications are perfectly aligned for efficiency and effectiveness.